I made chicken and rice soup, and you would never know that it wasn't fully homemade. Using 1 can of Healthy Choice chicken with rice soup, quite low in sodium compared to some cans of soup. So I started with some chopped up celery and onion and 1 chicken breast. It was an organic chicken breast, and I cooked it about 7 minutes on each side till it was good and tender. And then I did go ahead and add some Mrs. Dash for some extra flavor, which is no salt, heart healthy, and then a little organic olive oil, which is also heart healthy and tastes delicious. Very good for your arteries, actually. And to that, once the chicken was done, I did chop up the chicken and I added it back to the pan and added about a tablespoon of water just to get those delicious drippings from the bottom. And again, this is 10 grams of protein in this 1 can. There's 2 servings per can. Very low in sodium compared to most cans of soup. So I opened that and then went ahead and added it to the base that I had made with the sauteed celery and onion and the organic fresh chicken. And I want you to know this was delicious. And I let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And the can of soup actually had some chunks of chicken and celery and carrots. It really added to the flavor. So when you're wanting some homemade delicious chicken and rice soup, try this recipe. I guarantee you most people are going to love it. I did. Subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel. Be sure to check out my other videos. God bless you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.